Well, hello. Welcome back. Gotta tell you guys, I am pretty excited. Like, very excited. Because as I'm getting the car ready for Power Tour, one of the things they keep telling us about online is overheating. And on mine, I'm still running the factory radiator. I do have an electric fan on it. I'm not sure if you can see in there. But in traffic, she gets very warm. So I ordered a brand new cold case unit. So we're gonna unbox this bad boy and see what it looks like. Hang on, I'm gonna get you guys all set up there. Perfect. Oh, can't tell you how excited I am. Right, let's see. Let's see if it's everything it's cracked up to be. Ooh, more boxes. Yes. Oh, another one. Another one. Oh, and I think this is bad boy right here. Okay, let's move this. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. Let's see what we have without damaging everything. Oh, yes, my precious. How nice is that? Let's get over there and get a closer look. Oh, look at that. It's got the tranny cooler lines. We have an external cooler on there, but all right, what else? What else? I'm guessing that these are the fans. I did a lot of research, lots of research, and online, ooh, look at that bad boy, right? So there's a pair of these. Anyways, as I was saying, I did a lot of research, and what I discovered is that lots of the stuff available online that are really price friendly, even including fans, if you're not careful, they don't have the right CFM. They don't move enough air for when you're stopped in traffic. So being a V8 car, most of the ones that come across online, look at that. So nice. Most of the stuff online that you come across is stuff that is actually only 6-cylinder or smaller. So they're only rated at like 2,000 to 2,500 CFM. And the problem is, like I was saying, it's not enough air movement to keep an 8-cylinder car cool when sitting in traffic. You need that volume of air in order to accomplish the task at hand. So let's come back here. What's nice about the cold case is that the dual fans will bring its CFMs up to 3,200 CFM, which is more than enough, especially for this car. This car only being a 5-liter or 305, it's only probably 250 horsepower. So this will handle much more horsepower, but it is exactly what's needed for when you're sitting on the side of the highway trying to pull into an event center. So guys, whatever you do, please do yourselves a favor. I genuinely believe the few extra $100 I spent on this unit versus the more economical stuff you find is definitely worth it. So do your research. Make sure you're going to get the parts you need. All right. Thanks, guys. Good morning, fine people. Today's the day we start to take the rad out. I think I showed you, well, you'll see earlier the video of us assembling it. And now we're going to start getting ready to put it in. Yeah, here we go. Pitter patter. Aha. Yeah, I already drained the rad. Okay. What do we got here? There we go. And then, I have hardware down underneath. I am pretty sure. Okay, let's go look. Gotta look. Just the one. Okay. Good news, there's only one. I'll get it out. All right. Stay. Hold on. Stay there. Okay, what do we got? I'm pretty sure this slides right out. I've done it only 17 times. Here we go. Oh, yes. One more. There we go. we need our tray back in place because when I take that little rad hose off, it is gonna make a mess. Make a mess. Six, 7, 5/16. Oh. I want the extension. Stand by. Be right back. Reach this now. Okay, 1, 2. Let's see what kind of mess. There we go. I'm actually pretty excited. The hoses are still pretty malleable, which is great news because it means I don't have to buy new ones. Okay, let's see. Oh, come on. Look at that. Oh. Is that the size? Are they 7/16? Those training lines? I don't remember. Nope, bigger. 3/8. Nope, it's smaller. 11. 10. I'm hoping I really don't want to make a big mess with this. Honestly. Let's try that. Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, it's good. That's good, that's good. Okay. Keep that one. Keep that. Let's watch and see what happens here. Let's put this away. Oh, pull that off. Now, okay. I don't want to get ETF in my oil and my coolant as much as possible. Okay. Ta-da! All right, we ready? Lift it out. Oh yeah. All right. Let's take a gander. So, here is the original rad. Probably 25 years ago, I had it rebuilt. Now it isn't leaking anywhere, but quite frankly, it's just not keeping up. I do have a pretty good size fan on it, and it does work really well, right? However, see, is that a single row? I think that's a single row. However, as I said before, while in heavy traffic, despite the fact that I have a 165 thermostat, it just gets hot. Like, we're talking 210, 215, and I just can't, quite frankly, can't trust that. So, as you can see, the difference is pretty significant. I've recently learned that having the shroud really makes a difference on how efficient your fans work. Oh, yes. This is like eye candy for your car. It's gonna be awesome. All right, well, I mean, no better time than the present. Let's take a peek and see. Maybe what we'll do is we'll give it a quick cleaning first before we go crazy. Awesome.